Since we use Ecofrog, we understand that we are no longer polluting our environment. In fact, we are a beach hotel. We are located on the beach. Right on the beach, and using this type of product allows us to have a very long life for tourism, and the customers, both internal and external, will benefit from this non-use of chemicals. La ozonated water is currently being used in the kitchen to clean floors, surfaces and utensils, which allows us at the same time, while they are cooking, to be cleaning next door with 100% food safety without a possibility of chemical contamination. In the hotel, we are also using it in the restaurant to clean tables and areas and glass, and the housekeeping department uses it to clean all the common areas of the hotel. On the downstairs, the noble areas, and in the rooms on all surfaces and glass. So we are using Ecofrog systems in practically 80% of the hotel. Ecofrog systems.
The advantage is that it does not leave any odor. It leaves everything super clean and super disinfected. With this, it is now much cleaner, more hygienic. Much cleaner, more hygienic and easier for us.
It's very good because with just one product you can clean all the surfaces, but without using chemicals or anything else. It makes our work easier. With ozonated water, we clean the surface of the room, furniture, the glass, mirrors. It saves you from using chemical products. It makes the job easier because with just one product you clean everything, and it works well, to be honest.
The real cost we had for cleaning products in the car wash was around 600 euros per month. And now with the wash and Ecofrog system, we are around 100, 120 per month, which is a very important saving for us. The wash system connected to the avatar in the washing train allows us to automate the washing process. The wash system connected to the avatar in the wash train also allows us to automate and train our personnel more easily. Because it is really very easy, it is all automated, and they do not have to be aware of whether they have to change so much liquid or less liquid. They simply turn on the car wash and use it, and it is all automated. Sinum, the system is currently installed in 13 hotels, but I understand that the intention of all the operational management is to install it in as many establishments as possible to save money. Also of establishments possible for energy saving, economic saving and environmental reasons.